Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we've got another full face of one brand, so a one brand tutorial, and today we're doing Maybelline. I'm actually having a lot of fun filming these videos for you guys, so as always, if you are not subscribed here on my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you hit that notification bell. I've been getting so many comments from people being like, why do you only upload once a month? I upload 3 times a week. You guys just are not getting the notifications. YouTube's having a moment, it's got PMS is having a moment, a hormonal moment. So yes, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any uploads. I can't deal with how red my nose is. Look at my nose. What is going on? And also, please let me know in the comment section what brand you want to see me do next. I'm really excited about today's video. I love Maybelline as a brand. I love their products. They're really, really high quality and they're super affordable and they're widely available to pretty much everyone everywhere in the world, which is super awesome. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna play with Maybelline. Let's get on to it. I'm gonna take this moment to enjoy my massive cup of tea. Okay, I've zoomed you guys in. I feel like this is a little bit better. First up, I'm going to start by priming my skin. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Primer. You guys have heard me mention and feature this one before. I adore this. It is very liquidy. That is one thing, very liquidy. But I really like how lightweight it is. Like, you can't really feel it once it's on the skin. Like, I don't like primers when I'm like, ugh, I feel like I've got concrete on my face. This you don't even know that you've applied, and it does last really, really well on my oily skin. For foundation, I am of course going to be using this one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This, at the minute, is my hands down favorite drugstore foundation. So long lasting, so full coverage, so beautiful on the skin. I adore it. This stuff is ridiculous. It completely blurs out pores, fine lines, imperfections, lasts super long on the skin. Like, it will definitely last you all day. It lasts all day even on my hella oily skin. So full coverage, and like, just look how perfect it looks. This is not my skin. My skin does not normally look that nice. Oh my God, it's so full coverage. It's insane. Oh, that is inconvenient. Go away. Also, can I just say thank you so much for all of the love on my vlog. I posted a vlog to this channel for the first time ever. I don't normally post sort of my daily vlogs here, but so many of you said the sweetest things. You said that you really enjoyed it. You said that you wanted to see more of them. I just felt really touched because I was so nervous before uploading that video because, it was the first time. I didn't know how people would respond to it. As always, this channel is about you guys. The things that I film, the things that I post are what you want, are what you've requested. So yeah, I was really, really nervous, but thank you so much for the reaction. You guys are amazing. I just feel like we're friends. I feel like I know you. Do you feel like you know me? I hope that you do. All right, moving on to brows, and there's actually a couple of products here that we're going to be testing for the first time. Maybelline, it turns out, have quite a few brow products. Okay, so this is the Master Brow Pro palette, and I've got the shade Deep Brown. I'm just going to start working this powder through. You have to excuse the noises that my stomach is making. Oh my goodness. It's being so loud. Oh my God. So straight off the get-go, this powder is definitely, it's quite pigmented. I'm not having any issues with fallout. I'm not having any issues with blending it or shaping the brow with it. Seems quite straightforward to use, quite easy to use. Color might, even though it's the deeper brown, it might actually still be a little light. So know something funny? Got up this morning, got dressed for the gym, even to the level of putting my shoes on, sat on the couch, didn't go to the gym. Does anyone else do that? Do you know that I've even driven to the gym before? Like, all the way, and then I've just sat in the car park and been like, no, I'm not going inside. No, I'm not here for it today. I'm having one of those weeks where I don't want to do anything. Like, quite literally just want to sit on the couch and watch Gossip Girl and eat donuts. Is anyone else having one of those weeks? Comment down below if you're having one of those weeks. Okay, next up I'm going to try this guy out. The Brow Precise Fiber Volume. This is medium brown. Ow! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hacked my thumb opening that. Oh, she bleeding. Oh, grab the suture kit, hun. BRB. I would seriously stitch it up if I had a suture kit. YOLO. Okay, so this is a brow mascara, basically. It's got those little fibers in it. You know those fiber mascaras? It's supposed to make me look hairier, I'm hoping. It's always scary when you use a brow gel for the first time, because that can happen. See that? I'm gonna have to fix that up. It deposits a lot of product. Do I look hairier? I definitely look hairier on this brow in comparison to that brow, but I'm gonna have to fix the front up. It's actually quite sticky. Like once it's in, I guess it's setting, but it's actually quite sticky. All right, next up to prime my eyes, I've got a couple of the Maybelline colored tattoos here. I think I'm gonna use this one, number 25, Bad to the Bronze. I flogged this through high school, you know, when they first came out. I just adored them. They're like a cream shadow that sets down to a completely matte finish. Really long lasting and really crease proof. I'm gonna apply this to my lids. You could honestly wear this on its own as a shadow. They're just gorgeous. But today, I'm just going to use them as kind of like a shadow base. Mine's a little dried up. I think I'm going to have to buy a new one. It still works fine. I do feel these set down super fast, so I'm actually going to blend it out before I start on the other. Quite easy to blend too. Like if you're after something that's really quick and easy, that's going to last all day long, that kind of doesn't, you know, require too much finessing, these are an amazing option. For shadows, I'm going to be using this Expert Wear Quad in the shade Natural Smokes. This was actually one of my most used and most loved eyeshadow palettes, like small mini eyeshadow palettes, for a very, very long time. Comes with 2 matte shades, a dark brown and a sort of like a white kind of bone kind of color, and then these 2 here are metallics. Honestly, so pigmented, so long wearing, and so beautiful. So just picking up a blending brush first, I'm gonna go in with the deep shade. And I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner and sort of through the crease. I wanna do like a really nice taupe sort of smoky eye today. The pigmentation in these little quads is so good. They're easy to work with, they're blendable, they're just really, really good quality. So now on a flat brush, I'm picking up this shimmery cool tone brown. I'm gonna pack that in the center of the lid. And with that color tattoo down, this will literally last all day, all night. You'll have to use like pretty much waterproof makeup remover to get it off. It's just bomb. And then I'm gonna take a little of that warm brown shade too. I'm just gonna run that through my crease. Kind of just adds a little bit of warmth. Blends everything out really nicely. And then with the light shade, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. This one's a matte. I've been really into matte brow bone highlights lately as opposed to shimmers. They just look so polished and neat, and I don't know, I like it. Okay, moving on to eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Master Precise Eyeliner. Hands down one of the best drugstore felt tip eyeliners. I love this. You guys have seen me use this in a million tutorials. This is no surprise. The point of it is just so fine. It's just easy as to use. Like it's quick, it's simple, great for small eyes. It's just an easy eyeliner. Also completely smudge proof. Like I don't find that this one smudges on me at all. It's also really easy to do a wing with. I think we're just gonna tightline today though, but it is really easy to do a wing with. Again, I've got a million tutorials using it if you want to see me do it. Okay, so eyeliner is on. Moving on to mascara. This is the Maybelline, the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Pretty much a fan of all Maybelline mascaras. There's legitimately not one that I'm like, oh, I hate it. They don't smudge. The best thing about Maybelline mascaras is they don't smudge. I hate mascaras that smudge. Obviously because I'm so oily too, it's not hard for a mascara to smudge on me. Maybelline ones never do. It does give your lashes a fair bit of volume. It's kind of like, it's always hard for me to demonstrate mascaras because my eyelashes are naturally very sort of, I don't know, thin and straight, and they're not great eyelashes. But you can definitely see the difference between this eye and this eye. Now, Maybelline don't appear to sell false lashes, so I'm going to use a set of my own as if I would. These are the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics 3D Luxury Silk Lashes in the style Gabriella. They're really, really fluffy and wispy. They've got super thin bands, so they're really comfortable to wear, and you can reuse them up to 25 times or more, actually. I've used a lot of mine for like 40 times. So also, you can use the coupon code Nikkia to get 15% off these. But I'm going to apply these off camera, and I'll be right back. All right. So lashes are on. I am so happy with how this eye look has turned out. Moving on to concealer, I've got my 2 favorite concealers from Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Again, you guys have heard me talk on and on and on about this one, so there's probably not too much left to say. Really creamy, really pigmented, crease proof, lasts all day, looks amazing on the skin. And the Age Rewind Instant Dark Circle Eraser Treatment Concealer. It's this guy here. I always do this and then it literally shoots me in the face because I've done it too much. So it comes out through the little sponge. This is like, whoa, I squeezed it too much. See, this happens every time. This is like a duck under eye circle eraser, basically exactly what it's called. It really corrects and brightens, and I love the formula. Again, crease proof, long lasting, really pigmented, really creamy. Love. Look how much that's brightened under my eyes. That is crazy. And then taking the Fit Me concealer. My favorite shade is Sand. Well, by favorite, I mean the one that matches me the best. And I'm just applying that over the top. And I'll also use that to sort of highlight. Oh my gosh, the redness of my nose is even peeking through. What is going on? I never get a red nose. I better not be getting sick. I'm going to be pissed. I've got so much to do. And I love, 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 love this concealer. It's been one of my favorites for years. It's all around easy to work with. Like, it does the job. It does what a concealer is supposed to do. It's easy to blend. Yeah, I like products that do what they're meant to. That's what you pay the money for. All right, we have concealed. We have hidden our mistakes and the bad dad jokes we were saying at the event last night. All right, moving on to powder, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Literally life-changing. I've got a full review video on this. I will link it down below. Honestly gorgeous. Like, it definitely lasts all day long on. I'm just applying it with a damp beauty blender sponge, as per the usual. But super long lasting, super skin smoothing, amazing on oily skin types. It's amazing on dry skin types as well. Like, it's not just oily skin, but it will keep you matte. I love this stuff. Again, currently my favorite drugstore powder. The only annoying thing is it's currently not available in Australia. I get mine off eBay or Amazon and get it shipped here. Don't you worry, guys. I'm on a mission to get it released here in Australia. I am on a mission. I got you guys. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to be trying this one here. This is the Maybelline Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. It looks so pretty. Look how gorgeous that is. So this is like a mixture of warm and cool tone bronzers. Really, really pretty. And then it's also got this one here, which is a highlight shade. I might try this middle one here. Oh, damn. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Oh, yes. This is nice, you guys. Really pretty colors, really pigmented, but really easy to blend. It does come in a blush version, which I do have right here. The Master Blush. So these are like the two of them. I think these are gorgeous. I have used this one before. I can't find the opened one that I have used. I don't know what I've done with it. But yeah, really, really nice. What I'm actually going to do is pick up the really warm shade from that, just on a blending brush. Run it through my crease. Yes. Just to add a tiny bit of warmth and kind of like tie it all in together. Oh, I love that. Don't be surprised if you suddenly see me wearing this look in literally every video. Yeah. Okay, moving on to blush. I have the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade number 25. This is a blush that's meant to enhance your skin tone, give you a really natural look, and has got a cream smoother texture for effortless blending. Okay, cool. So this one's sort of like a soft pinky color. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh my God, Maybelline. Literally all your products are amazing. So soft and pretty, this blush. Definitely recommend this one. Number 25, the Fit Me blush in number 25. Okay, this one I'm excited for. This is another product that I've never tried. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It's got a seal on it. No. That is ridiculous. That is so pretty. Do a little swatch. Are you freaking kidding me? That is so buttery and soft and smooth. Oh my gosh, Maybelline. Literally dead. It's actually really smooth too. Like, it's not chunky. Damn. Oh my God. Does this come in different shades? I need them all. Look at that. Look at that highlight. That is ridiculous. I'd like to thank my family and my friends and everyone who's ever supported me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's try it on the inner corners. Oh, okay. See you, sis. new fave. Okay, for lips, I've got two here. I've got the Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. I did do a full swatch and review video on these if you're interested in seeing it. But I've also got one of the matte lipsticks. So I've got Lover in this and Lustful Blush in this. Oh, that's a pretty pink. What colour is this? Oh, these might be nearly the same. Let's use this one. I like this one. I really like the formula of these. If you want to see all the shades, like all the shade range, I'll link that swatch video. And then finally, to finish everything off, setting spray. This is the Maybelline Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Locks in makeup, long lasting finish. Actually never tried this, so I'm kind of excited. Shake well, spray 4 to 6 times, allow to air dry. Avoid spraying directly into eyes and lips. Avoid spraying directly into eyes and lips. How do you spray into your lips? Do they mean into your mouth? Anyway, shake. Ooh. Oh, okay, a lot comes out. Ooh, I feel like my face is, oh no. We're safe, we're not melting, we're fine. We're good. We got this. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look, a full face of Maybelline. I am so happy with how this has turned out. Love the primer, love the foundation, love the concealer, the powder, the blush, the bronzer, the cheeks, the eye makeup. Every single thing in this tutorial that I've used, I've really liked. Actually, with the exception of this brow gel, but I think I need to get used to it because I made a hot mess of the heads of my brows. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite Maybelline product is so that I can try it as well. If I had to choose one thing, oh, don't make me choose, actually. You guys always make me choose. The foundation or the setting powder, probably. But this highlighter as well. Don't make me choose. But yes, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so, so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And in the next one brand tutorial, do we want to do another drugstore brand? Let me know what brand you want to see next. Bye, guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.